So, can you believe that? Sitting front and center in both of them. Double green machine. We're 956. Oops. I was hoping to find the green machine of this one. Because I got one off eBay, but it came with clean green wheels, and I was hoping for the dirty green machine version. This is great. Oh man. Good thing I buy one off of eBay. Number 32, low number, nice. I was actually thinking about getting one of these off of eBay, but I'll take it for $8 instead, because I can only use my coupon on one of them. Glad to finally see these showing up. Man, it's awesome. 2 green machines just in front and center on the pegs. Anyways, let me know what you guys are finding. Happy hunting.